Earning money online has become increasingly popular in recent years, and the trend is expected to continue in 2023. Here are some ways to earn money online in 2023. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to earn money online, and it involves offering your skills and services to clients around the world. You can work as a writer, designer, developer, marketer, or any other profession that can be done remotely. 2. E-commerce. E-commerce involves selling products online, either through your own website or through platforms like Amazon or Etsy. You can sell physical or digital products such as handmade crafts, artwork, or ebooks. 3. Online surveys. Many companies pay people to take surveys to gather data and feedback on their products or services. You can sign up for online survey sites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks to earn money for your opinions. 4. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services through platforms like tutor.com or Chegg. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. You can promote products through your website, blog, or social media platforms. 6. Online courses. You can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, teaching people new skills or sharing your expertise on a particular topic. 7. Virtual events. With the rise of virtual events, you can earn money by hosting or speaking at online conferences or webinars. 8. Social media. You can earn money through social media platforms by creating sponsored content for brands, selling your own products, or by growing your following and becoming an influencer. These are just a few of the many ways to earn money online in 2023. The key to success is to find a niche that suits your skills and interests, and to stay committed to building your online presence and reputation. With dedication and hard work, you can build a profitable online business or career.